once again, Scott Carothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
We had a nice day on Wall Street. It was good to see. What happened?
Yes, we did. Yesterday the Dow was up 154 points, closed at 22,558. The ISM Manufacturing Index jumped in the morning, and stocks took off, and we kept the gains. Healthcare and financials were strong, while technology was weak, and the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.34%.
All right. Yeah. Financials had a good day. It was good to hear. Let's talk about what's the ISM Manufacturing Index.
Right. Well, the ISM Manufacturing Index came in at 60.8, up from 58.8 last month. Now, this is a 13-year high for the index and shows that manufacturing is still growing in America. Manufacturing is about 12% of our economy, so this is an important number. 17 of the 18 manufacturing industries reported growth in this report, so that's a good sign.
All right, good. How about Express Scripts? What are we hearing from them?
Now, new research from Express Scripts shows some interesting findings. In 2016, approximately 870,000 Americans spent $50,000 or more on prescriptions, and 98% of those were covered by some sort of insurance. Also, less than 1/3 of 1% of the U.S. population accounted for $80 billion of drug spending.
It's a lot of money.
A lot of money on drugs.
A lot of money on drugs. And how about finally with Tesla? What are we hearing there?
Now, Tesla Model 3 deliveries were lower than expected, but Tesla stressed that there is no fundamental issue with the Model 3, just production bottlenecks. For the quarter, Tesla delivered 26,130 cars, a 4.5% increase from the same time last year. Of those cars, 14,065 were the Model S, 11,865 were the Model X, and only 220 were the economically priced Model 3, starting at $35,000.
All right, there you go. And then markets today, we're going to keep the gains from yesterday?
We're supposed to. Today the Dow looks up on the futures about 30 points. We get a look at vehicle sales and also hear from the Federal Reserve Governor Jerome Powell, who has been interviewed by the White House to take over for Janet Yellen.
Is Janet Yellen leaving? Did I hear that? Did I miss that story?
No, he's been interviewed to take over for her. But,
okay, but it hasn't been announced yet, one way or the other. Because
exactly.
her term's up, right? Is that the deal?